So the first part of my today's session, challenges on online education. I will not just put the challenges, but I will try to give some suggestions as whenever you think that is important. Moving ahead, challenges of online education from the student side. So there are, you all know this, but I am trying to highlight so that I can put certain solutions here. Network issues, all of you know some of the students are facing network issues. Some are having smartphone, laptop, desktop, tab or something, that is also the problems related to this. Then net balance, net pack is over. These are some of the problems that also students are faced. This is a point where some of the color combination used. We all agree that the attention span of students are less, and how we should overcome this kind of situation that we have to look. Many times it happens due to an online mode. Students not understood our course context or subject context. The way we are teaching in the classroom is something different that we are using in the here in online mode. And disturbing learning environment at home. So many times you find the background video and background noise that comes and that also get disturbed, as well as classroom environment. We can't provide it at home when students are attending the session at home. Moving ahead, challenges of online education from teacher side. I'm sure the challenges those who are working from home sometimes face a network issue. Smartphone again, laptop, desktop, tab not available, not working, not charged, net pack. So we'll ahead with this one because this is somewhat common problem. Sometimes it arises. Moving with the next, online disturbance, background noise, scratches on screen, on video catching attention of others, off video don't know what students is doing. So what I mean to say, so these are some of the challenges. If you are using a good tool, you can avoid at certain level. You can suggest to buy a smartphone to the students. You can suggest that make a charging before attending the session. Ensure with a good net pack in your mobile. And online disturbance, you can go with some of the things. Then moving ahead, e-content development. This is the challenges from teacher sides, how to develop e-content, make a technology awareness, subject knowledge and skills. Online class control sometimes challenging for the teacher. Students' attitude, behavior at online mode, that is also somewhat disturbance at online mode. How to go with an online assessment, and absence of non-verbal communication. So all of you know non-verbal communications plays a very important role in the development of the students as in teaching tools. But due to absence of non-verbal communication, many times the class is not effective, our teachers is not get a satisfaction to become a best. We have to understand this dilemma, mismatch dilemma. The mismatch dilemma, learner, that is the students are multitasking. At their age, they can do lots of things and they are learning simultaneous lots of courses, subjects. Teachers are limited with their course or subject, single or having limited task. You have to think on this perspective point. Access to knowledge through picture, sound, video and animation. The teachers' access to knowledge through text, we are having a mindset before this online teaching. We are majorly focused on the books, but students are rather than, as I'm a teacher of 40-year-old, I will more prefer to read the book, but students are more handy towards watching and videos and even the animations. We are many times as an independent and individual. The students are more interactive and networking in their friend circle. All this new generation is shaped with World Wide Web, the new media, and we teachers majorly more influence with print media and radio and television. So rather than acquainting ourselves, students are fast, grabs this technology, and thanks they are adopting very fast because they are very well fascinated with these mobile phones and online medias and videos. So they are more in that side of doing all these things. So we have to also understand in this perspective that we have to acquire the all skill with a very fast rate. You imagine that although this is a lockdown, since going from last 4 or 5 months, this pandemic situation arises. In the last 3 years, we are the AICTE, our highest body, that is UGC, AICTE, and all these technical bodies that regulates higher education. Even CBSE, NCERT is focusing on an ICT tools in education. The way Byju's and EduComp has been, has entered in this online education, even in Khan Academy. So the people are slowly entering in this higher education. But within this lockdown period, all these Vedantu, Byju's have increased more than 300%. It means that some of the students are not happy with online education provided by some of the schools, and they are starting moving with this Vedantu, Byju, or many other e-tools that are already in the market, but they got this pandemic situation as a major platform to grow them. Even you might be read the day before yesterday's news. White HR is an White Junior HR coding company where started in Mumbai, acquired by day before yesterday by these Byju's. And we have to understand the way this online education is changing, and we have to acquaint with all these tools with a very fast rate. In another sides, although we are facing lots of challenges with this online education, we should thank to the changing technology, 4G technology, which was in the affordable data pack. If the same situation arises before 5 years, 1 GB data, we have to pay 500 rupees. And now we can get an unlimited data with this one. So thanks to an technology, 4G technology, and affording this data pack with a very cheap rate. Thanks to Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, Microsoft Team for avoiding, we don't know all these tools before this pandemic situation much more, but the platform was available and it takes a catch and we are able to give them. Thanks to YouTube, WhatsApp, Google, by using this, we had able to teach to so many students in this online mode. Again, thanks to all organizations who provides ICT tools for online teaching and assessment. So many organizations that we are going to learn today's session also, and more than thousands of organizations we have entered in terms of e-content and this online delivery, and increasing with very fast rate. Thanks to students and teachers for quick adaptability. Many teachers and students has very quickly adaptability of these tools. And recently I will share you some of the survey reports to you that the way how the students starting loving with this online education, and they are slowly accepting this. Every education having certain advantages and disadvantages. Even classroom education is also having some limitations. We can't exactly compare, or we can't give the feelings to each other. UV tools having certain advantage and certain disadvantages. But anyhow, the learning process should be continued. So in that line, I thanks to all the teachers and students who has quick adaptability. Very important point that I have to address to all of you. I thanks to all the teachers. You are at very noble professions to build the nation. As a law of karma, UV doctors, engineers, or many social peoples are working with their bottom of hearts in this pandemic situation to give their best. So anyhow, as a teacher, we should understand our roles and responsibility, and we'll give our best in this situation also. So if we give best, then we'll have a next generations, a build generation that we'll find. And I request all of you, please accept this as a challenge, and whatever we have planned, give us a best by understanding all